Hey guys, just came across a news update today that I thought was pretty cool, and it's a big Samsung move here. Really, Samsung moves into Bitcoin mining with mass ASICs production, which is pretty cool. I'll click on the article and show you. Let's see here where we're at. So yeah, just there's so much exciting news going on here in the crypto space, Bitcoin. And this is pretty big, though. This is today, January 30th, 2018. Samsung moves into Bitcoin mining. So I was just kind of thumbing through here. They've already begun, manufacturing, this whole project. We're in the middle of supplying a digital currency mining company in China. It's just awesome stuff. Let's see here. They had, I guess they already completed some of the testing there, but when I was looking through here, this is big. This is like Samsung beating Apple, Amazon. All these other companies to the space. Basically, the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies in South Korea has led to a lot of this. And Samsung itself joined the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance in May of last year. That's pretty cool. With let's see here, what else we got? I mean, I don't think people realize here, but this is very, very exciting times. It reminds me of back when we were in like the early 90s, mid 90s, going into like 97, 98, basically the big dot-com boom. And we're right here with the same kind of feeling and opportunities with the cryptocurrency space, but more importantly, what the blockchain technology that's behind all of this is really going to change everything that everyday people are doing. It's kind of like the internet 2.0 is the way I kind of look at it. It really seems, the more you start researching, not just Bitcoin and Ethereum and the cryptocurrencies as trading or a place to store value, but literally the technology, the blockchain technology, is really going to be disrupting dozens and dozens of industries, and it's happening right now, and it's been happening for several years under the majority of the population's noses. It's really getting to a point where you see big names like Samsung. It's just a matter of time. I truly believe that this year, in 2018, we're going to start hearing companies like Amazon, eBay, Apple. All these companies that we do, some of the biggest companies in the world basically, are going to be announcing, just like Samsung has done here, that they're entering in some shape, form, or fashion the cryptocurrency space, the technologies, and it's going to be pretty exciting to watch. Now, obviously, people that are getting in, this is just like back in the day. If you got in on Amazon, back in the first early days and just held on to it, it's just the same setup as if you were to have bought Bitcoin in 2011 or 12. Even I started buying Bitcoin in 2013 by accident, just to get a discount on my inventory for one of my businesses at that point. But anyway, kind of rambling on a little bit. I just wanted to kind of go over this and share it. I thought it was pretty cool. But Samsung is one of the biggest players out there. Apple and Samsung. So Samsung is usually first to move and get involved in things and announce it to their user base and the public before Apple does, with new technologies and stuff. But it's official. Samsung moves into the Bitcoin mining space, and we'll keep an eye on it and see what happens from here.